So good afternoon, students. This is our Moodle page. Everybody can see the screen. All students can see the screen. Yeah. Any problem, you let me know. Okay. Attending classes, okay, but 1 or 2 days is okay. I am not asking you every day you should come. Even midterm also not coming and sleeping in the home and you have another work, what can I do? That is, I cannot do anything. This is COVID time, no classroom teaching. Okay. So this is our collaborative computing. Some students, they don't know what is the title of the course. That's why I'm explaining again. Assignment 10 mark, it was given when 40 days before, I think 30 days before. Midterm, you already finished, all students. Then I opened for midterm big blue button for presentation also, because no student came for any problem, because it was easy exam, no problem. Final exam, at least you should know about final examination, 4/5/2021. Okay. Then you have everyday class. This big blue button, after 1 week, it will be deleted video. Okay. But up to 1 week, it will be available. You are sleeping for more than 1 week and one day you can come and see, not possible. Okay. Here you can play and you can find the link. Okay. Presentation, you can find the video. Now what I am going to do, I am recording with Zoom also. After this class, inshallah, I will put in the YouTube. You can just find the video, not for all classes, only selective classes. Now, what we are going to discuss today, our last class discussion, up to this one midterm finished, which one? Yeah, in the chapter 3. Then these things we already discussed. What do you mean by shared diary? Diary can be written by one or more people together. Communication through artifacts, share data, how to share the data, frameworks for group work. These things last class we discussed, how to make a level of sharing the output, sharing, the types of object sharing. What are the different possibility of objects going to be shared? This is the collaborative work we need to share with your idea with others. That's what we are doing in our practical Google document, going to be shared with your friends for collaboration of the work. Type of shared data influence the style of the sharing. How to the style you have for sharing. Linear transcript is text chart. Monotonic, only add box things easier to share. Shared, add only hypertext. Only the hypertext. Hypertext means the hand will be coming when you can go for that one. Okay, that is nothing but hypertext. Monotonic, unsequenced. Several people can add children to some node. Only selective things we can show to the children. Unwanted things you can remove. Okay. Then we have a whiteboard. Already we know what is whiteboard because just now you finished your midterm. In the midterm also, I probably asked this question, whiteboard. Monotonic and unsequenced, apart from the eraser. User-defined structure is also available. Complex object, shared text file or file system is also the possible one for object sharing. Yes, students, any problem? Hello? Hello, audio okay? Audio okay? Can you hear my voice? Okay? Okay. Um, Actually, this is for our ordering problem. What is this ordering problem? We have two people are sharing together. This is the problem going to be explaining you about race condition. What condition? Race condition. How to solve this problem? So in the final exam question, what is race condition? How to make ordering of ordering problem going to be solved. To explaining this problem, we have take two people. The people name is called Alison and Brian. These two people are going to be communicated each other. What they are going to do, let us, a beautiful day, let us go out after work. After the work, let us go out. He sent the message. Let us, beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. Let us go out after the work. Alan replied, let us, beautiful day. Let's go out after work. Okay. So what will happen? I agree totally. Alan sent, he received. So what is Brian sent? I totally agree. So what will happen now? He say, I totally agree. Alan, perhaps not. I look awful after the late party. He say like that. Okay. So what will happen? The ordering problem. Then he sent it and it will be coming after. I agree totally, he said. It will be coming, perhaps not. I look awful after the late party. So he confused, and this lady also, what is going on? It will be confused in the messaging system. So this is one of the race condition. The order should be coming. That means when Align finished, the brain should be coming here. I totally agree. We can go out. Let us go out after that. After that, only she has to send the message. It will be receiving is better. These are all the one of the race condition problem. Okay. So for example, I say to Saif, you are very beautiful today. Then maybe he is not listen. He sent, doctor, I am not attending the midterm. Then he say, you are not a good person. First thing I say, you are very beautiful. Then he says something, I am saying something. The communication problem will be coming. That is nothing but race condition. Why we discuss in the race condition these things, we need to know to solve the problem of order of sharing. Order of sharing. Whenever you share something, the people should understand each other. That is nothing but understanding each other. That is, this is a common diagram. Right side, your father. Left side, you. Or left side, your father. Right side, you. You both should be understanding each other in the collaborative computing work. So integrating communication and work. So what we have direct communication. This is a common diagram because already I asked midterm this diagram. This is the fundamental diagram of the sharing. A stands for artifacts, any work to be completed. P is a party to be shared, another P for the communication. Yes?
The screen is
Struck, huh?
Yes.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Wait. I close. Again sharing. Yes. Screen okay?
Okay, Doctor. Good.
Now okay, everything. Oi, hello. Saif sent a lot of hellos. I didn't see. Now only see the message.
Refreshing, Doctor. Refreshing now. Now it is okay. It is working.
You want to say about screen stuck, huh?
I don't know what happened.
Sometimes I don't know really.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now it's okay now.
Now okay, no problem. What happened?
Yes, it is okay now.
We have the before one. This is see the ordering of the problem. Everybody having slide with you, right? All are having slide, printed slide with you.
Yes.
Yeah, that time you can easily understand this problem of race condition, ordering problem. Okay. Then you have a communication. Here, what we need to do in the direct communication, direct and understanding, we need Digi6. Digi6 is nothing but reference to the work object. DEIXIS is called reference to the work object. Next one is a feed through. Feed through is a communication through the artifact. How to communicate through the artifact. Here, direct the communication will be coming to the artifact, any work, maybe Google Sheet or maybe Google Art, maybe Google Forms, anything is okay. It will be directly coming to the artifact from these two people is nothing but Digis, and feed through for the communication through the artifacts. Control and feedback also directly coming to the artifact. Here, this will be coming to the artifact and it will be going to the party. This is nothing but a feed through. Classified groupware by function is supported. Good groupware open to all aspects of cooperation. What do you mean by the good groupware? You know what is a groupware? Groupware is a software which is applicable for all the collaborations work. So what are the different good groupware? Open to all suspect of cooperation, aspect of cooperation, open to all aspect of collaboration work. Annotation in co-authoring system. Amending direct communications should be possible. One of the things to avoid these kind of other things like barcodes, we can use the barcode for some of the things, form the digits and aids diffuse larger scale cooperations. So who is going to do this process? So that time we need to do with barcode or biometric other things. The awareness, what is happening, who is there, and what has happened and why. In the case of Yahoo Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger, and other things, awareness more needed. Who is there? How did it happen? What has happened? So these things are needed between the party. Tower. The tower is a workspace awareness. This is nothing but a virtual workspace, like a virtual internet foyer, virtual networking, like that. That is a working object showing as a building. This completely virtual environment for the collaboration work. Avatars where other people are working. where you are working, what other people are working. Built to our flexible event infrastructure. This is mainly for, I give the reference, you can see more information about this DOVA. DOVA is a workspace awareness. This is a virtual workspace. Virtual workspace. Virtual is not real. That is the imaginary workspace. There you can do. Same like the building where you are going for the mountain. Suppose you are sitting in the earth, you are in the Mars. Okay. Those things will be coming in the virtual space. Implementing work group. In the implementing, we need feedback and network delays also possible. Architecture of groupware, feed through the network traffic, tools, robustness and scaling. In the feedback and network delay, definitely network delay will be coming. Even the meeting and other things, probably you are not clearly getting the idea. Some network delay will come. Okay. Screen feedback, user types. For example, it will be starting from stage 1, 2, it will be going to the local machine. 3, it will be going to the network. Then remote machine, server. Then remote application. Then it will be again coming to the remote machine, workstation, networking, and local machine, and finally display on the screen. So these 9 stages of the process will be carried out when you can receive the single application response. So the user types something, they are probably going to receive it after across 9 different stages of work. At least 2 network messages, 4 text context switches with protocols, 4 or more network messages are needed. Definitely, many protocols are involved in the network delay. What is the exam question from here? Draw the symbol diagram to explain the feedback and network delays. How is possible? What are the different things will be coming across between the client and the server when you can go for the collaborative work? The type of architecture we have centralized, replicated, and half the way architecture. Okay. We need more discussion on these things. I cannot go for simply finish this one. So as of now, we start with implementing groupware. Okay. What are the different things you need to discuss? Feedback and network delay, architecture of the groupware, feed through network traffic. You know what is feed through? This is nothing but a feed through. What is need to know the feed through? Okay. This idea you must know when we did the practical, because the practical only we know what is sharing. After sharing, you know about these things, then slowly you can understand about how to implement the new groupware. For example, you wrote a new messenger or something, you must know about the groupware applications. Toolkits, robustness and scaling. The following classes we will be discussing one by one, then we can go for chapter 4 and 5. We can slowly go, no problem, because this is more important concepts and more important for all students. Okay, today class finished. You want to talk with me anything, you can take 2 minutes time and talk. Okay.
Yes, Doctor, I want to say something.
Yeah.
I would like to say thank you, Doctor, you to give us enough time in midterm. And I know this is from your heart, and I am appreciate for that thing. Thank you very much.
Okay, Sukran, Saib. So all extra time I given from my side, but I help the students. Some students, they don't like to get my help. What can I do? I cannot do anything. Okay. Even some students didn't submitted in the midterm. Okay. Okay, Safa, no problem. Um, I sent an email to all of our students, those who are interested to attend today meeting. Please come after prayer also, 6 to 6:30 also, okay, no problem. I open. You can join with us during the after prayer time also is okay for us. Thank you. Thank you, Safa. Okay. Okay.